Hi guys, in this section we will be covering the technology architecture, and as a part of technology architecture we will be talking about the triple IRM as well as the TRM. I mean, basically, we will be implementing everything inside the technology architecture. So the TOGAF reference model, which I have already discussed in the level one. So you will see some glance of that while we are applying that in our use case. From the conformance viewpoint, let us have a quick look what we are going to cover. We will be covering technology architecture, the technology principles. We will be evaluating that, and we will see that how the TRM comes into picture. Anyway, we will be also looking through the ABB's architecture building blocks, the outputs of the technology architecture component. And as a part of this I triple IRM will be already covered, and the TRM will be also getting covered. Okay, so basically what I am saying here is when you are when you are doing this the technology architecture, you will be taking care of the software components, the hardware components, the networking components here. So have a quick glance of what we will be covering in the technology architecture section. So let me go to the slide next. So we will be talking about the input to the technology architecture. We will covering what the baseline looks like, then baseline of the deployment, the technology architecture, the viewpoints, what we are looking from the networking, the processing views, the cost view, the viewpoints again, then the business goals and objectives, the criteria for the specification selection, the gap analysis, and the development architecture, the infrastructure architecture, how it looks like. Basically, we will be applying all the catalogs, artifacts, or the reference model as per our understanding, the infrastructure architecture network, then the integration architecture in a very high level for the fast iteration, but that is what we still need to look into. Then the QA architecture, which is the quality assurance architecture, the security architecture, the service architecture, and finally I will be concluding by talking about the artifacts, catalogs, code diagram, extension diagram, and the matrices. So let's jump into the next section and take a deep dive.